So do you use any particular software to keep all the information or communication in one place? Like I use Trello. Nadine Heights, which is a regular contributor too, she's really active. She uses Monday.com. Do you use any of these kind of systems?
We just use Serenade to do forms, but that's all. Yeah, we don't use the other systems. In my opinion, I think that every year new technology comes out that is so good, and we just want to keep on adapting to the new technology, right?
Yeah.
No, we couldn't have foreseen how email is being replaced by all these other communication apps just a few years ago, but they are. And so now all these systems that completely rely or built upon emails don't work anymore. So just every year new technology comes in, like Zoom, WeChat, Line, Clubhouse. We just have to adapt to it, use it, and then build it into our system. But for forms, we just use one steady form. It's
But
all right.
like, how do you make sure like within Serenade, is there a system to see where the case is at and which employee is working on what to be able to follow up and that kind of stuff?
Yes, but I'm much more reliant instead of on what the software tells me. And keying in the software, I rely on the people to tell me, the case managers. So the case managers, they would use an Excel sheet, track all the different cases. They
I see.
update that consistently, and when we meet together, we discuss that, right? And that's a sheet that's shared between everyone. So
Very good.
that's to me much more reliant. But yeah, Serenade as a backup has it, right?
Do
Outlook
you
also has it, right?
do you use like Clio or My Case or that kind of stuff?
We've tested it out. It definitely works if you are very traditional, but I think because we are constantly adjusting and adapting, it doesn't work for everyone.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out like a lot of people immigration lawyers have this kind of stuff. I just don't see where that would fit within my firm. Maybe it's I just don't understand how this software helps, but a lot of people do it. And I do for billing. I just send them an email saying, send me Zelle me some money. That's it. So my billing's pretty straightforward. I don't send invoices, although we've got into H-1B and those companies always want invoices and stuff like that. So maybe that's good for that. But yeah, I'm trying to, one of the things is to try to maximize using a software. So I keep getting stuff and testing out for a month or two, and it's very time consuming to do. But if you find something that's good, it can be a game changer and it can save a lot of hours and keep people on the same page. So I've tried. I think I'll ClickUp and obviously I use Trello. There's another one I use. I like Trello the most. And people don't know this stuff. These words aren't going to make much sense. But it's like kind of having a board that everyone can go to, and it says where the case is at. You communicate with team members through it. I enjoy using it a lot. It's been really helpful.